Okay guys, this is a 1994 to 95 Air King 20-inch box fan, model 9733. I've been looking for one of these fans for a very long time because I kind of have childhood memories of one. Not exactly good memories, but I have memories of one, so I've been looking for one forever. Kind of ended up seeing it in a really bad way, but oh well. Either way, I'm happy I finally found one. So, this fan is in mint condition, other than the handle and knob are slightly yellowed out, but those will be painted sometime soon. And then it really will be 100% perfect. Both grills are perfectly white, not cracked anywhere. The blades are of the best balance I have on any of my Lasko Galaxy box fans, or in this case, Lasko Galaxy Air King box fans. Motor's perfect, not a single sound it shouldn't make. All the paint for once in my collection is perfect on the motor. This is probably like my second Lasko fan I own to have good paint on the motor. First being that mint Lasko 3733 of mine. So, now that we're done talking about it, let's put it on the kilowatt meter and show you guys how much power she draws. Make sure it's set for amps. We did the 91 to 92 Galaxy, rated 2.2 amps, same as this, and on high it was like 1.8 something or another. So let's see what this one is on high. If I remember correctly, exactly the same, 1.87. Okay, I guess these fans were overrated, just like the Lakewoods were. Other than these ones don't have any info on the motor. Medium's 1.31, about the same as the Galaxy. And then low. This one's low is a little bit faster than the Galaxy. But same thing, 1 amp flat. Okay, now let's do watts. Same watts as the Galaxy too. 87. Medium. About the same on medium too. And then high. I think this one draws a little bit less watts on high. This one's a lot less worn out than the Galaxy though. Okay, now we'll shut her down. So, there's how much the Air King draws. Same as the Galaxy, so that's pretty cool. Apparently they all draw the same thing. So, pretty nice fan here. Really glad I finally found one of these. Sure looked for one for long enough, so when I saw this, I jumped all over it. Anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thank you for watching. And I hope all you guys enjoyed.